Hello, this is Nindy Kerr. We are going to be making a card similar to this, only we're going to be using Orchid Oasis. This one's in Sweet Sorbet, which is retiring, and Orchid Oasis is also retiring. So let's get started, and we'll make our card base. Cut 5.5 by 8.5. And scored at 4 1/4. And we'll use our bone folder, make sure the corners are lined up. And then just flatten it out, get a good crease. Then we will make our card front, well, the stamp on anyway, at 4 1/4. And since this is a darker color, we'll make a card insert at 4 inches. By 5 1/4. Okay, good. Now when using the clear photopolymer stamps, it's best to use a Stampin' Pierce mat because they have no foam cushioning behind them like the clean rubber stamps. We are going to stamp with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. We want to stamp close to the bottom because we want room for our words at the top. I guess we could do it this way. Remember, you just want to press straight down and straight up, no rocking. And we'll be using Orchid Oasis ink. And let's see how well I can line this up this time. Not bad. So we'll clean this up. And add our leaf stamps, and we'll use Garden Green ink. And believe it or not, it's a lot easier to line them up with them going sideways than it is up and down. Okay, we'll clean off these stamps. And we will choose, it's the little things that matter. And stamp in Orchid Oasis. Okay, good. Now let's do our die cutting tricks. Oh, I forgot to do the little flower centers. So we will just take this little itty bitty circle, put it on the corner of our block. Okay, make sure the stamp edge is down. Okay, there we go. Now, there is not a deckled rectangle die that will work to make me happy for either of these, so that's why I said we're going to do a die cutting trick. I can't remember which one I used. Right, now we will line this up on the edges, and I guess we should see how much we're going to trim off. Probably a little bit more. I did it at the right at the bottom on the other one, so let's do that again. And this time when we run it through, we're just going to barely run it through. And there we have it. Lucky it has torn edges because then it blends right in. Alrighty. Now let's do our words. These words are a little bigger than the other ones I had. I don't know, do we want to do it even? No, because I made that little ink spot there. Then we will do the same thing here. Just line it up where we want it. Is my camera tilted? And then again, just go over. And then just tear it there. Just have a big decal on that part. Although if we want, we can. Oh well, it will be fine. Alrighty, let's put our card together. Okay, make sure we know where our fold line is. And lay our pieces where we want them. And we'll just glue them on this time. I think I used Stampin' Dimensionals last time. But you can see my mistake from before. There we go. Now we're getting glue out. Since it came with an extra stamp set, I decided I would use it this time. There we go. And I haven't even smeared the words yet. So, have fun resizing your dies for the size that you need. Thanks for watching. Remember to sign up for my newsletter at www.nindiescreativecorner.com and click the newsletter tab. There's also a link below in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.